Lastly, I just want to show you some of the books that we have from beginner readers all the way up to our young adult readers. These two particular ones are some of our bestsellers for our early readers, and this is how my kids learned how to read as well. So the Complete Book of Farmyard Tales, they come with a CD, both of these books. They both have hidden yellow ducks because Stephen Cartwright is our illustrator that had a hidden yellow duck on every page. And then this one is called a dual reader. So what this has, if you see the top and the bottom text, it has simplistic text on the top, level 1, followed by level 2 and 3 text on the bottom. But what you can do is you can read it straight across to be able to get a shorter, simpler text for a shorter story, or the child's going to read straight across. You can supplement it from reading the bottom, and eventually as your reader grows, they're going to read the top, followed by the bottom. So back to the top, followed by the bottom. And this can grow with them. There's 20 stories in this book, and it's definitely one of those must-haves that can be used with all different ages and can grow with your children as well. Cute illustrations. Ted and Friends is just a little bit different. There's 12 stories in one CD, Hidden Yellow Duck, like I said. This is based on phonics, though. So you've got your fat cat sees a bee, fat cat flees up a tree. So these are going to be great again for those early readers. As they progress from that, we have our introductory chapter books. We've got some right here called Billy B. Brown and her friend is Hey Jack series. And what I'm going to show you is that it's going to have wider space between the text. It's not a lot of text per page, still has some pictures, it has some different words, they call it word art. And these are great for those kids that just really want to try those chapter books but aren't quite ready for the longer ones. This is a great introductory kind of in between from the early readers to the harder chapter books. We have a couple different series. Fairy Ponies is a brand new one. We've got ones about mermaids now. We've got a dog that's a detective in a series of 11. A lot of the chapter books, if you're looking online, you're going to be able to see that you can buy them individually or you can buy them as a set. And sometimes that set will just be much more cost effective, at least buy a whole book or more. So we encourage you to take a look at those collections. We also have some of the nonfiction for the older kid boys. We have one called Extreme Sports. Again, we're going to have some illustrations and some photographs, little short snippets, almost like a magazine, but it's good for those reluctant readers. We have some about fighter jets and spying. Our new one is drones. That would be a popular one. We also have, there's a couple more chapter books than for the older kids, and you can just kind of see the difference of how much text is on there and how many pages. And what I encourage you to do is just take a look online by ages and topics to see which chapter book is right for you.